phenomenon, because psychology now attribute coincidences to, not based on an infinite amount of chaos narrative is inevitable. Psychology now interpret coincidences on selective reasoning and confirmation bias. Selective reasoning and confirmation bias. So you see we have a huge contention here. It's not the interpretation, but the mutually exclusive, the dichotomic or the trichotomic schools of interpretation of a same phenomena. So psychology attribute coincidences to confirmation bias or selective reasoning. You select this correspondence in event or occurrence in time, or you select, or confirmation bias. Or from a psychological perspective, you find coordinates, you find correlations, you find patterns in nature. You attribute multiple simultaneous 1-1-1s in nature, or multiple correspondence. So anything that correlates or corresponds or share a single common denominator or multiple common denominators.